Hi friends. So today we'll discuss up these hand washing steps, and these hand washing steps, if it is done with the soap and all, it is being done for around 40 to 60 seconds. And if we are using alcohol rub, then it is being done for how much? 20 to 30 seconds. Just half of it. Fine. Now, how to go for it? The first one, first we'll discuss up these particular steps, and then I will show the picture of it. That will cement up the things with you. And important, actually everybody knows it, but we tend to forget up the sequence in the exam. So that particular sequence I want, you should remember in a proper way. And for that we'll try up some things to make you learn. The first one is palm to palm. This everybody knows, and you can do it also as I say up here. Then the right palm over the left dorsum, and then the left hand over the right dorsum, like that. Then the third one important to remember is what? Interlacing your hands. Fine. Basically interlacing your hands in the palm side. Then interlocking of the hands is done. So firstly, what is there, guys? Interlacing. And then what is there? Interlocking. Fine. Then fifth one is regarding the thumb. So basically you rub the thumb with the other hand, and thumb rotation you do with the help of the other hand, and you clean up that particular thumb. And how to remember that this is the fifth one? Remember like this, guys, this is the fifth number. And how you remember this? Thumb. How much alphabets are there in thumb? 5. So the fifth step is what? Regarding the thumb rotation, because this is the step in between we tend to forget. So just remember in a sequence with the proper numbers. And the fifth number is what, guys? Thumb rotation. Okay, obviously from one hand of another and from other one of the other one. Okay. Then sixth one is what? Sixth one is fingertip movements in the circular motion. The same thing of right hand over the left and of the left hand over the right. So these all things are in vice versa stuff. So that is the sixth one. And regarding the seventh, the final one, that is the wrist rotation. And obviously it is also being done in the same manner from right hand of the left and from left hand of the right. Okay, so basically in the starting, telling the sequence, my basic purpose is that you should remember up a sequence first. So in that particular sequence remembrance, you need to remember the third step is what, guys? Interlacing. Fourth is what? Interlocking. Fifth is what? Thumb. And thumb is having how many alphabets? 5. So that is the fifth step. Okay, and rest of the things you'll definitely remember yourself. And sixth also, you can go off in the remembrance spree regarding the finger. What is the alphabets? How many alphabets are there? There are 6. The finger is which one? Sixth one. So fingertip is the sixth, and fifth is thumb. Okay. Now, obviously wrist is the last. This everybody remembers. Now let's have a look regarding the steps which are there. Then that will cement up the things in your mind. First one. Now you should speak up without seeing down that what we are doing up. We are doing up palm to palm here. Okay. So this is rubbing the palms together. That is the first step. Second one is rub the back of both the hands. Means the right over the left dorsum and the left over the right dorsum. This is the second one. Then the third one is what? This is, guys, known as interlacing. Okay, I've told you na, third one you have to remember, that is interlacing. So this is the interlacing of the fingers, and you rub the hands together. Okay. Then the fourth one is what? This particular step is termed as what? Interlocking. So firstly lacing and then locking. Then interlocking fingers and rub the back of the fingers of both the hands on each other. Okay. So that you need to do, and this is a very critical step. Fourth one is a critical step. Locking is a critical step. Okay. And if you remember like this also, you can remember the lock is having how many alphabets? 4. So locking is which particular step? That is the fourth. Then I have told you regarding the thumb. And thumb is having how much alphabets? That is the 5. So thumb rotation is fifth one. So rub the thumb in a rotating manner, followed by the area between the index finger and the thumb for both the hands. This particular area, this is also being used up, guys. Okay. This particular area is also being rubbed up with the other hand. Okay. So this is the fifth one. That is thumb. Then you have this particular step, that is the fingertips, like this. You have to make up this particular one, and you have to rub the fingertips on the palm, like obviously right over the left and left over the right, like this. Okay, this is the sixth one. And how to remember? I just told you, finger is having how much alphabets? That is 6. So this is also done. Then the last one is wrist. You have to rotate the wrist, and obviously same thing, right does of the left and left does of the right. Okay, so these are the various steps of the hand hygiene, in total 7. And without seeing only now, like this particular picture, also in your mind you can tell up. The first one is what, guys? Palm to palm. Second one is what? Over the dorsum one. Okay, that is there, that is the back of the hands. Then the third one is interlacing. Fourth one is interlocking. And the fourth one, lock is 4 alphabets, fourth. Fifth is thumb, that is thumb rotation, and index finger and between the thumb, that particular area is also being cleaned up. Okay, sixth one is fingertips, and finger is how much alphabets, guys? 6. And seventh is what? The seventh is regarding the wrist. You have to clean up the wrist like this. Okay, so this particular step is done for how much time? 40 to 60 seconds. And with the soap and with the alcohol rub, it is done for 20 to 30 seconds. Thank you so much.